As you know, I'm one of the attendees here in the event today, and I would like to offer a networking kinds of opportunity to everyone who is attendee in this event. I've tried to communicate with all of you one by one, but that's not possible because of the busy event. So I tried to make it announcement through the mic, and then you can get the benefit. Now my offer is, my company name is ETO Innovex Private Limited. We are the premium partner of the event. You can see the logo on the top. All you do is just like our YouTube and Instagram, and whatever the product that you have, make a small video of 2 minutes, 1 minute. Don't make it long video, please. And I will post that video to my handle at no cost. Just to tell you, we have about 2 million followers on Instagram and 7.3 million followers on YouTube. So you will be getting a platform at no cost where you will be able to advertise your product, no matter what product is, at no cost. Just to add my closing line, that we are more focused on AI and fintech business. But this opportunity is not just for the AI and fintech. Anyone out of you who is willing to advertise their product, they can just message through the Instagram and we'll advertise that. Thank you guys. Thank you for this opportunity again. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arun from ETO Innovex Private Limited. We are a company, we are organizing the fintech space, and we are detailing the software related to the fintech, where if somebody need to launch the fintech business like payment gateway, mobile wallet, crypto exchange, at the same time if they are looking for any heavy load balancing on their web, or looking for any kinds of certification related to security, penetration testing, all these services we are able to offer at one place. Also, at the same time, we are a company which is helping the newcomers entering into the fintech space, making it easy for everyone to access these services. We don't just stop there. We also offer ready-made fintech solutions such as ready-made complete software code for crypto wallet, crypto exchange, e-banking software, full banking software, closed-loop wallet, cross-loop wallet, or an ERP connected to the schooling, where you can have in a school and you can connect your complete fee structure with the system. In the payment gateway, we are able to offer pay-in, payout, QR in a system where user can pay later if the user doesn't want to pay today. You can give them an option that they don't have to pay today, they can pay later days, after some days. These are my services.
Absolutely.
I'm glad to be part of this event and appreciating all the organizers and welcoming all the members here in the event. Thank you guys.